Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Protect. You're being asked to protect yourself and your energy. It's okay to want to give to others, which you do effortlessly. It's important, though, that you set healthy boundaries with your energy before doing so. Now is the time to get some protection in place. How do you protect yourself? I am safe in the universe, and all life loves and supports me. I breathe in the fullness and richness of life. I observe with joy as life abundantly supports me and supplies me with more good than I can imagine. I will be gentle with myself. Find the unnamed wild colors in the garden of your heart. B. Spread heart healing with joy. Archangel Preminilik. Another angel I've never heard of. Have you been seeing bees lately? Maybe do a search on what that means and see if there's anything that you need to be seeing and hearing right now. Signs, instincts are the message from the inner divine. Change. Don't scare yourself with the next 40 steps. All you need is that one next action. You can say to love, just show me the first step and change me into one who can take it. And our last card today. Be impeccable with your word. Realize the power of your word. Your word is the power that you have to create. It is a gift that comes directly from God. Outrageous openness. Dear love, open me to your will. Release me from my attachments. Surprise and delight me with your plan. You know what's needed, and I am open to receive. Love, divine source, is the idea that no person, place, or thing is your salvation. Only love itself. Alrighty, let's check out this little envelope today. Say, I am healed, whole, and free. My body is a miraculous vessel of light, intelligence, and vitality. It regenerates itself in perfect harmony. Things you can control this week: who you surround yourself with, your mindset and opinions, where to direct your attention, the habits you build and stick to, which goals you go after, how you view your progress, the risk you're willing to take, and what you say yes and no to. Say this: I am open to receiving miracles today, both seen and unseen. I allow joy, health, and success to flow effortlessly into my life. And the last one today. You were born to be free. In what ways can you celebrate your freedoms? Start ant-like, small, and celebrate them all. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.